you love her. A haunted, haunted house. Oh, could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted. I tried to get the waiter's attention by picking his mom's coat.
Why are you working so hard?
I've got something in my eye. No, thank you. I don't wanna die.
Bonjour, I'm just blinking at us. Is this because your date is a freak?
No.
Very good. Bon appetit.